Tuh 4 jari ya turunin ya. Saya kaki halus tau gak?
Sama gila sampai segitu.
Aku ngapain beli begitu?
Serbowo yang beliin, Mbak.
Kenapa sih dia beliin? Emang kamu udah ajak jalan-jalan sama dia?
Jadwal untuk semuanya. Udah banyak aja. Wah, pakainya di bangku. Akhirnya dia suka putar sendiri. Si Wifi itu kayaknya itu orangnya keren, yang kayak bunny rabbit makanya.
Merahnya gue pulang apa enggak sih? Enggak.
Ini tinggal sama dia.
Iya kan? Masih mau dipakai ya? Kalau kan mau minta. Dia mah itu loh orangnya. Hiburan itu. Seorang harus. Iya nggak sih? Beli jatah mau kali-kali. Yang kadang minta dibawa dulu sama dia. Malas sih jatahnya kecil makanya mereka dia beli yang licin. Dia bilang wah kayaknya pas-pasan banget gitu. Saya kan ngaturin gambar. Biar itu saya saking gambarnya. Itu angkat aja tadi mami ngepelin ini. Mana kalau mami Kreme susah mau dipakai. Itu mumpung ada itu.
Is it on yet? We want the Kreme crumbs to stick, so we need lots of frosting. I don't know if this is half or not. I don't know how much I use, but I'll just use that much.
It smelled it.
It is dripping. And I'm glad I put plastic. And now we will put the crumbs. I don't know if this is a dumb idea or not. Look at the little crumbs. I'll leave some. I won't use everything. I will definitely not use everything. That's enough. And now, time to cure. Beep. Coffee. Wait, is that coffee? Yeah, it's coffee. Drip, drop. Squeezing the coffee. Squeezing in the coffee. Look at that, all that coffee. Oh my god, it's filling up so fast. Squeeze out the coffee.
All of them?
I guess.
It's fine. It will be on top.
It should mix in a bit.
You don't want to mix it. You want to put like cream. That looks good.
Here comes.
Ooh, that looks good.
I know, it looks like little coffee.